Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today is exciting. As you can see, the sun is already out and girl is tanning. I am tanning. I am going on a holiday. Woo! I am so excited about this. I am going to the Canary Islands for a week and I'm just gonna lie by the beach all day, every day, and relax. Today's video is to tell you what's in my holiday bag, what I am packing for the trip. And this video is gonna be two sections. This is gonna be the part one of telling you what I'm packing, and then the part two will be in a vlog. Once I'm on the holiday, I bring you guys with me and you see my outfits, me in the bikinis and everything. I'm excited. So let's get to business.
This is my luggage that I already have everything packed in. Yeah, I pack really like ahead of time when I have a trip. And these are my other stuff that I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna dig right into this.
First items that I want to show you guys is my sunglasses. I have quite a collection of sunglasses, and in this 8 days trip I have selected quite a few that I'm taking with. This is the sunglasses that I got from AliExpress that is a Gucci inspired. Normally I will never wear this on the streets, like no thank you, but I think by the beach this will be nice, lying by the pool, right? And this is my second glasses. It's the marble sunglasses, really nice. Bought it last year in Barcelona, so this is something that would be nice lying by the beach as well. And my third sunglasses is this cut sunglasses that I got from AliExpress. I got from AliExpress as well. This is what's in now, girl. Hey girl, catch me outside, how about that? Anyway, so that is my sunglasses collection. So now let's talk about outfits that I've packed for this trip.
I really love this outfit together. The top is from River Island, which I got from Zalando. I love the sleeves, I love the length, and the pants is from Triangl, which fits so perfect. It will be the first time wearing both together and I'm looking forward. Guys, look at this jumper is from Zara. I got it last year during the sale and it's so pretty on me. Girl, look, I love the cuts from the sides. I love that there's pockets. I love the shorts. I love this jumper. It just shows my shape and I'm really enjoying this. This top is from Forever 21. It's free and easy. It it's summer. It's just summer written all over it. I love the pants. The pants is from Triangl, a bit short, so it's better when there's a longer top as I expose my butt. But I love these outfits together. I love the print on the top. I love everything on the top. And I can also wear this top on this lane pants that I have. I really like this pants. It's free and easy. It's the best summer pants you could have. And also I took this top so that I could also wear on the same pants during the holiday. So basically one pants, two tops kind of thing. And yeah, girl, we all need some wrap dress, don't we? Some serious summer wrap dress. I got this dress from Clockwise, and girl, this dress, man, it just gives you the shape that it's the summer essential, a must have. I love this. It fits me perfect. Yeah, girl. Oh my goodness. I'm sure you've all seen this dress from my previous Zara haul. Yeah, I took this dress because of the floral prints, the free, the long. It looks like some holiday vibe, the beach kind of thing. Beach kind of thing. This it's just really an easy holiday dress, and as you could see, all my pics have been easy and free. Yeah, girl. This outfit is the most easiest relaxed top I've ever had. The top is from Zara and the pants is from H&M, but this top, man, I love the print. It's so free, girl. I need to be free this holiday.
I'm gonna talk about the bikinis that I'm taking with me on this holiday. The first bikini that I would like to show is this triangle bikini that I got. This is an Australian brand, and yeah, it holds really firm. The quality is really good. Was quite pricey, but they are really nice. And so the bottom, these are the bottom. It holds very firm. You see the fabric is really good as well. The colors are amazing, and yeah, it covers my butt. I'm not gonna wear micro bikini to show you my butt this time. So this is what's happening, and yeah, I am really looking forward to wearing my bikini. And the next bikini that I would like to show you guys is this floral bikini that I've had for a while. I got this bikini from Newyorker, and the bra holds so good. I like the shape of the bra. I like the cup. It's really safe. You don't have to expect your boobs popping out of it. And this is the pants for this bikini as well. Really good. I love the fabric and the print. Really nice. These flatter my body very much. I love this particular bikini. The third bikini that I would like to show you guys is this bikini that I got from a multi-brand outlet. Unfortunately, I don't even remember what brand that was because it's not even written on it. But this bikini comes 2-in-1, that you can actually wear it the other way around and just have a totally new bikini. Or normally I will wear yellow on the bottom and green on the bust. My third bikini is this hot yellow bikini, very colorful. The secret about bikinis is that you need to wear something more colorful on the bottom so that it kind of pop out your butt a little bit. So I'm wearing actually this top on the yellow one. Gonna be really colorful and very nice. I always buy my bikinis in the winter when they are on sale. I actually bought this for $4.95 and it's an M. Unfortunately, my bust is small, but it works if I tie it good enough. So that is the next bikini. So I'm taking with me this skirt. Very free, very colorful, very beachy. Right, so just relaxed walking by the beach in this. The part 2 of this video, I'll be wearing those bikinis whilst at the beach on the holiday, and then you will see how they look on me. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, to just look forward to the next video. It's gonna be really fun, and I'm hoping that you're enjoying what we're doing here. So for the beach, I bought myself last week this hat from H&M. It was 17 francs 95. This is gonna be banging this magazine with me so that I could do some reading. Going to the beach, of course I will need my tunique, something that I got from H&M as well. I'm just gonna be wearing that on the bikini whilst I chill by the beach in my glasses like babe. And also I have another tunique. Is it called tunique? I think so. Anyway, this is also a cover for my bikini, but this particular thing can be worn in two different ways. You can wear this on your bikini, or you can wear this when you wear a jeans and a shirt to just dress in it like that. I'm gonna talk about bags that I'm taking with me in this trip, and where I'll keep all my passports and everything. It's my Coco's bag that I have had for a while. It's very spacious. So this will be my hand luggage for this trip. Something that I'm gonna be using by the beach as well. This, I'm gonna put my stuff in it whilst I go to the beach. This will be my makeup bag where I keep all the makeups in it. And yeah, you need this, girls, for your stuff. The leather is good, the quality, I mean, it's Dior. What do you expect? And then I have this MAC makeup bag that I have. I like to take different kind of sunglasses, as you can see. So normally I'll just keep all my sunglasses in this one. I got myself a camera, Sony, which I use. The quality is amazing. I don't use this for my YouTube videos, but I use this for every trip. Every trip. For me, holidays and trips are memorable. Some things that we need to remember. So keeping a good quality camera to capture the moment is very, very important. So yeah, 100%, this is the first thing you will see in my bag, on around my neck, tourist style, every time. I actually bought this because of the zoom quality. It can zoom until... Okay guys, so now I'm gonna talk about shoes. I will need wedges. It's an essential item for a holiday. Next one will be these flip-flops. You don't need flip-flops, right? Like, you can't have a holiday without flip-flops. Like, this is definitely coming with me. Okay guys, there you go. What I packed for my holidays to the Canary Islands. So what do you think about the choices I made? What are your thoughts? Do you like them? Do you think... Well, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. Watch out for the part 2 of this video where I will be wearing this at the holiday. Watch out for the bikini, me wearing the bikinis during the holiday. So make sure you subscribe and press the bell so you get notified when I post the next video, so you can watch. And thank you very much for watching. I am so happy and looking forward to days. Enjoy your summer, enjoy your holidays. I'm out.